We don't know how to stop the clock, but we can help you fool the cameras and mirrors into thinking you're a younger you. Here's some essential tips to get the skincare routine you need. Wash with a gentle cleanser. Cleansing is important for removing any skincare product or makeup that you've applied during the day, as well as natural skin oils, pollutants, and bacteria that's accumulated. It also means your skincare products will be able to enter your skin and work more effectively. Use a physical or chemical exfoliant. As you age, your skin slows down replenishing itself. Dead skin cells aren't replaced by fresh cells as quickly, which means your skin starts to look dull and uneven, and may even crack. Exfoliants are a great way to help get dead cells off your skin. Pat, don't rub, on your anti-aging serums. In general, serums contain a higher concentration of active ingredients than a moisturizer. The best anti-aging ingredients to look out for are vitamin A derivatives known as retinoids and vitamin C. As well as increasing collagen in your skin, they also act as antioxidants to soak up the biological and environmental oxidative stress that builds up to cause aging. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. With age also comes less sebum. While this means less chance of acne, it also means your skin will dry out more easily. One of the big reasons for fine lines is inadequate skin hydration, but luckily it's easy to fix with a good moisturizer. Look for a moisturizer that contains water-binding humectants like glycerin and hyaluronic acid. An occlusive like petrolatum, commercially known as Vaseline, although Aquaphor also works, and mineral oil at night can prevent water evaporating from your skin. But be sure your skin is clean to avoid trapping bacteria. Always apply sunscreen. Sun protection is one surefire way to keep your skin looking as young as possible. The sun is responsible for so much of your skin's visible signs of aging that sun damage gets its own special category in dermatology photoaging. So use sunscreen, and not just for the beach, use it every day. A daily application of a broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen can fade age spots, improve skin texture, and flatten out wrinkles by 20% in only 3 months. You can protect your skin from the sun in other ways as well. Wearing sun protective clothing like long-sleeve shirts, hats, and sunglasses, and avoiding the sun in the middle of the day, will reduce your exposure to aging and carcinogenic UV rays. Protect your skin from trauma. One of the key reasons wrinkles happen is due to damage to your skin, and since older skin is more fragile, trauma can have larger effects. While there isn't much evidence on the impact of how you apply your skincare products, studies have found that pressing your face against a pillow as you sleep can cause permanent sleep wrinkles. So it makes sense to err on the side of caution and avoid strong rubbing and tugging motions as you wash your face and apply your skincare products. Look after the rest of your body too. Apart from your face, the key areas that expose your age are your neck, chest, and hands. Make sure you don't neglect those areas. Keep them covered in sunscreen, and no one will ever know your true age.